When I think about STEM, there's so many cool things that have been developed by women, and women have been involved in the development of what we have today.
It's 2019, a woman should be able to do whatever she wants to do, and if she wants to take on a career path that's non-traditional, she should go after it.
If it's something that you have an interest in, just try it out.
I like applying my knowledge. I like people telling me like, okay, here's what this button does, now press it. I'm like, okay, what happens if I press it? What happens if I press it twice?
If it's your dream, make it your dream no matter what it is. If it means you have to step out of your comfort zone like I did, of course you'll face challenges along the way, but that's how you improve. That's how you better yourself and you become the expert of that dream career that you want to do.
I definitely love that research side. That kind of clicks with me a lot more. I realized that there was a track that I wanted to be on. I wanted to problem solve. I wanted to have critical thinking skills. And I have learned so much here.
As women, we're roughly half the population. So, it's nice for women to be involved and to have a say so we can create better things and help change lives with what we build for the better.